The crypto market is collapsing right before our eyes, with the Bitcoin price now below 40,000 USD. Ladies and gentlemen, could we possibly be due for yet another 50% plunge to the downside? Let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. Now, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know that all the way back here in early 2021, before we had our nasty, heinous dump, I was looking at several indicators saying, ladies and gentlemen, we're beginning to see the tides turn here. Things such as the directional movement index saw a shift from bullish to bearish. The true strength indicator saw a flip from bullish to bearish. And while every other YouTube channel continued to tell you that we were going right to the moon, the Don told you, nah, little Jimmy and your $600 stimmy, things don't look right to me. And I said, folks, that all of that combined was an absolute warning shot fired. And what do you know? The price just dropped like a brick out of the sky for over a minus 50% correction to the downside. So here we are now in 2022. The price is dumping like a son of a right here, right now. And when I pull up these indicators that were very, very accurate in picking that potential top once before, ladies and gentlemen, do you see it? Because I see it, and I think the whole entire world should see it. Right now, we are seeing the very same indicators here on the weekly time frame, being the TSI and the DMI, showing bearish crosses once again. You can see here on the DMI, we have the orange line now steadily across the blue, with the blue line continuing to move to the downside. That is the exact opposite of what you'd be looking for from a bullish perspective on this indicator. And you can see here as well on the TSI, we have the red line crossing below the blue and the blue hard turning to the downside, with the red hard turning to the downside as well, folks. I'm just going to show you this here. Let's just put it on logarithmic scale for ease of visualization. We saw one right here. It led to a nasty dump. We saw one back here. It called the top of the market in 2017. I mean, you could go back throughout history. Seeing this on the weekly time frame flip like this is not a good indicator for the bulls, right? It's usually suggesting that, hey, this market has potentially taken a nasty bearish turn. And I'm just putting it on your radar that right now, folks, I am seeing this here once again. Now, I told you on my last stream, if you are subscribed here, that I was going to be looking for potential trade setup opportunity inside this range. And folks, if you are in my VIP, then you would know I opened a BTC USD short position for myself there at 40,100. Shout out to all of my VIPs. I kept you ahead of the curve here. I posted that I personally saw this trade setup idea for myself on January 20th. Right? A short from 40,100. And what do you know, folks? The price right now is taking a dive off a cliff deep down into the crypto abyss. So what do you know? Hickory dickory dock, the Don shorted the micro top. Let's get this crypto. So of course, folks, if you're not already in my VIP and you want all of my real-time trade setup ideas, trade alerts, real-time entry ideas, potential take profit ideas, where I'm putting my stop losses, things like that, then today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Seriously, folks, do not miss any more of my important real-time VIP trade setup ideas and alerts. Let's go. Now, another indicator I'm going to pull up here is the Keltner channels indicator on the one-day time frame. Now, if you're a long-time subscriber to this channel, then you would know just how important this indicator was on the bull run up, how important it was on that pop down, how important it's been again on this run up, and how important it is right now on this downturn, which I'm going to show you. So on this bull run back in 2020/2021, we saw the majority of the price action trading towards the top of the band. And when we had corrections, we saw support at the bottom of the band. Then it switched, right? We dropped through the bottom of the band, found resistance at the top, dropped through the bottom of the band, found resistance at the top, until it changed and did the same thing to the upside. Now, folks, just take a look at what's happened here. Resistance at the top, broke through the bottom, resistance in the top portion, broke through the bottom, resistance through the top portion, broke through the bottom. I mean, I'm getting tongue-tied even saying it. But right now, this Keltner Channels indicator to me is in classic bearish formation. And until proven otherwise, I mean, I'm sure the trend will change at some point, but until proven otherwise, I personally am going to respect the fact that we could find resistance at the top half of the Keltner Channels band until proven otherwise. And that for me right now, folks, is basically between 43K and 47K. But you could see that the price is dropping heavily right now. And we're continuing to see these candles pierce through the bottom of the band, which is classic bearish activity on the Keltner Channels indicator. In a bull trend, you're looking for the candles to pierce through the top of the band, just as they did all throughout 2021. In a bearish trend, you're looking for them to pierce through the bottom. And folks, right now, this to me is an absolute warning shot fired. So I hope you can see why right now, for me, I am having an incredibly bearish short-term outlook here for the Bitcoin price moving forward. Sure, right now we could wind up finding support inside this green box range, but at the time of recording, folks, you could see we're already dropping through there right now. Of course, there are no certainties or guarantees in trading, and past performance does not indicate future results. But for me right now, from a speculator's perspective, I am seeing that this market right now is showing potential weakness. And of course, I'm going to just continue to take this day by day. But key areas to watch out for here, in my opinion, is this range right down here between 31K and 28K. It's very possible that this could be a free fall range, folks. It's just that we didn't see much concrete support built inside this range. Really, all we have is this range down here. So it's very possible that if the Bitcoin price continues to sell off, that we could see sell pressure and momentum build throughout this range until we get down here. Doesn't have to happen. I'm just saying that from a historic perspective, we just didn't see that much steady price action inside this range, which, you know, we saw it down at the bottom here. So watch out for that range. Of course, if we were to drop through there, wow, things could get spicy, folks, as the next important range for me is really this 20K level, right? It was our 2017 all-time high, and then we had a multi-week resistance there before we ripped. That would be range number 2 for me. And of course, if we were to drop below there, wow, at that point, folks, my eyes would be set on the range between 14,000 and basically 12,000. That whole green box range that is made up of all of these resistance points, which were created over several years. Let's get this crypto. So right now, folks, you know, these moon boys, they're going to have to really put up a nice bullish fight here, or folks, things could really start to pick up to the downside, in my opinion. Of course, this is all just speculation on my end, right? I'm using the charts and indicators to observe how speculators have responded in the past to speculate on how they could potentially act again in the future. So right now, I hope that you appreciated this analysis here. If you are in my VIP, shout out to you. You guys know I will continue to keep you up to date with all of my real-time trade setup ideas, just like this one right here where the Don went short at 40,100. And you already know, the Don struck gold. The Don struck gold. The Don struck gold. And ladies and gentlemen, I will be keeping you up to date with all of that in VIP exclusively there. If you are not already in my VIP, then what are you waiting for? Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I will see you in VIP right now after this video. And hey, if you could, give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. If you appreciated it, thanks for the thumbs up. And if you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all so you do not miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates. Welcome to the channel. And until next time, folks, the Don has spoken. I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Do not miss my next important VIP update, trade setup idea, and alert. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.